luck. Come on, let's start clapping a little bit. Let's get this place rocking today. Keep it up till they open the gate up. The replay. Watch this guy. Good short catch around the neck. You have to bring that calf up and flank him back to the ground. Watch the tie. He's only going to take one around and a hoodie going to get out there on the short leash, but it'll work tonight. How about 8.9? 8.9. Fastest run we've seen this year, 7.3. That's Jim Chapman. From a world record holder. 1 second as runner-up, Whitesburg, Texas, Jim Bob Fritz. On here, July 23rd, 24th of 2010. 1 second last night. Comes in at 9 in the race for the championship. I want you to watch the horse as much as you watch the cowboy. Probably 60 to 70% of a man's ability based on how well that horse scores, runs, stops, and backs up. Big money for a good one. We're talking 75 on up to 150,000. Ride, throw, park, let's do it. Watch the groundwork. So important. Come on, fans. Need your help. Get to the 9s, the 8s, and the 7s. That's where the real money's going. 10 and 9, probably not going to get a huge check.